Hey everyone, have you downloaded a large archive that has been split into multiple parts? With WinRAR, you can easily extract these split archive parts and restore the original files. In this full guide, I'll show you how to merge and extract split archives with WinRAR in 2026, step by step. So let's get started. First, make sure you have downloaded every part of the split archive. Yeah, all the parts need to belong to the same archive, and they should normally be stored in the same folder before you start extracting. Next, check the names of the archive parts. Depending on how the archive was created, you may see names such as Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3, or numbered volume extensions. Make sure the parts have matching archive names and haven't been renamed incorrectly. Now locate the first part of the archive. Click the first volume to open it in WinRAR. You don't need to open every part individually. Inside WinRAR, click Extract to. Choose the folder where you want the restored files to be saved, then click OK to begin the extraction. WinRAR will automatically read the remaining archive volumes as it extracts the data. You don't normally have to manually combine the files first. Just keep all the required parts in the same folder. If the split archive is password protected, WinRAR may ask you for the password during extraction. Enter the correct password and continue. If you don't know the password, you'll need to get it from the person or service that provided the archive. Once extraction is complete, open the destination folder and check the restored files. Make sure the expected folders and files are present and that important files open correctly. If WinRAR reports that a volume is missing, first check that every archive part has been downloaded. Look carefully for a missing volume number and make sure all parts are located in the same folder. If WinRAR reports that the archive is corrupted or a volume is damaged, the affected part may have been downloaded incorrectly. Re-download that specific part and try the extraction again. If the problem continues, the original archive itself may be damaged. For the best results, download every archive part completely, keep all parts together, don't rename them unnecessarily, and make sure you have enough free storage space for the extracted files. If you're downloading large archives, it's also a good idea to verify that all parts belong to the same archive before starting. And that's how to merge and extract split archives with WinRAR in 2026. Remember, you usually don't need to manually merge the archive parts. Just place all the required volumes together, open the first part, and let WinRAR handle the rest. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.